Okay, so nandito tayo sa Kirribilli Markets. Meron ditong mga nagbebenta ng mga pre-loved items. Yung mga, usually yung mga nandito sa greens area. Yan, mga pre-loved items. Yung iba mga designer kasi itong area na to para sa mga mayayaman dito. Meron din mga products na bago.
Di Bali, Darwin, Early Philips,
So, bumili ako ng classic na pork roll dun sa The Pig. Ano yun? Nakalimutan ko na yung pangalan niya. Dapat meron siyang yung laman tsaka yung balat and then apple and pear chutney. But because it's gonna be quite oily, dahil syempre, pig, nag-lemonade din ako. Pinayata yung tindera dun sa lemonade stand. Acid para mag-cut through the fat. Nice. Ang problema lang sa mga ganitong rolls, ang messy kainin. Very, crumbly yung bread roll nila. Sarap ng apple and pear chutney nila. Tapos meron akong nakitang Dubai chocolate souffle pancake. So, babalikan ko yun. $9 yung single slice. At 15 yata yung double slice. Pero hindi ko naman kayang ubusin yung double slice. So, single slice lang yung bibilin ko mamaya. Actually, excited na ako for that.
完了，我也弄掉一个。有风好不好？待会儿我也吃我这个啥，今天卖了1号。对呀、现在都卖那个迪拜巧克力的比较多。
Okay, so ito na siya. And medyo disappointed ako. Tingnan niya naman. Pinanood ko nung ginagawa niya to. And to be honest, hindi ako sigurado kung pistachio ba to or matcha. Kasi meron din silang matcha na flavor eh. It's a little too green for me. And mukha siyang yung essence lang. Walang tunay na pistachio. Tapos, yung Hershey's chocolate syrup yung pang-ibabaw niya. Nag-grate lang siya ng dark chocolate sa ibabaw. Tapos yan, nag-overflow yung yung cream niya. The presentation is not great. Pero, granted na nasa stall lang sila at wala naman talagang actual na equipment to do it. Pero, that's not exactly how you would like to present your product, no? Anyway, taste test. Sana pistachio essence to at hindi matcha. Pistachio essence, pero hindi siya actually lasang pistachio. Para lang siyang wala lang. Parang wala siya. Kung meron sanang crushed pistachio, That would give it a little bit more flavor and texture. Food critic. Kaya hindi rin ako nagtataka na $9 lang siya, yung single slice niya. Parang tama naman yung pricing nila kasi honestly kung mas mahal pa to, I wouldn't buy it. It wouldn't be worth that price kung mas mahal pa sa $9 yung single slice. Lalo na kasi napaka-artificial ng mga flavorings na kasama. Mas matagal pa yung ipinaghintay ko na maluto siya kasi sa pagkain ko sa kanya. Siyempre, since souffle pancake siya, it's very light. Yun lang. Disappointing yung presentation, disappointing yung flavor, disappointing yung texture. I wouldn't spend my $9 on that again. Kahit nasabihin mo pa na fair yung pricing na yon, I wouldn't.
Sunny days lift me up again. Take me back to when I was a little boy. How did life become typical? Starry skies show me what it means to make a wish, follow my dreams like I used to. How did life become difficult? I miss my life, the kind of life I used to live. I miss the innocence, hanging on every word that I'm told. I never wanna go home. Those times faded away. So where are the sunny days?